At least you can see my hand. Medyo mataas yung platform dito, ulo ko lang nakikita. But anyway, I would just like to share a very meaningful story and a little bit emotional, just to make sure that the word commitment is running through your veins. In 1978, I was 6 years old. That was the last time we hosted a World Cup event. And believe it or not, I was right there, just under the Philippine flag. And I had a dream. And my dream was, I hope someday I will be able to step on the hardwood of Araneta Coliseum. And now it has become a reality. I am again representing my country as the head of support group. And I'm just so thankful that we have a very, very strong team to lead you and make sure that everything is done in accordance with the plan. I see everyone here making time and just believing that you can make this endeavor a memorable one and something that you will cherish for the rest of your life. And that is the gift of our MVP. In the last World Cup, unfortunately, we lost the bidding to China, but he did not give up. And his promise to us, together with Boss Al Panlilio and Boss Ricky Vargas, was very simple. We have to bring the best basketball sporting spectacle in our country. And here we are, less than 4 days from tip-off. Palakpakan natin ang ating mga leaders, Boss MVP, Boss LASP, and Boss Ricky Vargas. But more than that, once again, there will be a lot of challenges that we will be facing in the next few days. And I heard Boss Mike say, we have to offer our best smile, maski anuman ang challenges na hinaharap natin. And that is exactly what us Filipinos are known for. Our genuine and sincere hospitality, hindi fake. It is just pure service to make our visitors feel at home. This morning, I had the privilege together with DED Erica to welcome the USA basketball team. We were under the sun for like close to 2 hours. But there were no regrets. Walang pagsisisi. I was able to shake the hand of Steve Kerr, Eric Spoelstra, Jalen Brunson, and my idol, Austin Reeves. And I felt the joy. Can you imagine the type of joy that you will be feeling the next few days? Your basketball idols, you will be able to witness them. But there will be times, of course, that we cannot act as pure fans. Hindi pwedeng nakikipagtulakan tayo, nakikipagunahan pa tayo for a selfie and everything else. There has to be extreme discipline on our end just to make sure na mapapantayan din natin ang ating tunay na trabaho. And just for my parting shot, I was whispering this to the head of our security, General Henry Zabari, earlier, and I told him, General, did you ever have a chance to fight for your country during wartime? And he said yes. He was part of the Infantry Battalion Special Action Force. And I've always said this when I was part of Gilas Pilipinas coaching team. There are 2 times you can represent and serve your country the best possible way. One is if during war times you have to represent your country, and the other one is during a basketball tournament. This is where you belong right now. Nandito po ang ating adhikain, nandito po ang ating damdamin, nandito po ang ating pangarap, matutupad na po. At sana po sa darating na 2 linggo, wala po tayong makikita kung hindi sinseridad, serbisyo para sa mahal nating Pilipinas. Maraming salamat sa inyo.